This is a project that I've wanted to do for a very long time, and I had done it before once, but I wasn't happy with the results at all. From the way I'd put them up to the lights themselves, everything seemed to be a mess. So here we are, with the best LED string lights in my opinion, from a company called FEIT Electric. These lights are not only sturdier, but built better than most string lights you'd find, and they also pack a punch for how beautifully bright they are. Now of course, these are waterproof and extendable for however long you want them to be, and use only 25 watts of electricity per set of lights. I'm putting them up using these light hooks I got from Amazon, which are sturdy enough to hold these lights in place during heavy winds and severe storms, as long as it's not a tornado. One may even survive that, definitely got potential. And all you need to put them up is either a drill or an impact driver, which I'll be using in this video. You'll have the links for everything down in the description, or you can find my link tree on the homepage of my channel here. I've made it a habit to upload all my product links to my link tree in order of videos, so do check them out. And I also want to mention that I do get a little bit of commission if you use my links to make a purchase, so I'd highly recommend you do that as it helps me out a lot and allows me to keep on making these videos. So the first step is to unreel the lights and lay them out. The idea is to get a sense of length and placement on the fence boards. And with that, here goes the first hook, which I simply position against the board and carefully drill in, of course making sure I don't injure myself. So I'm slow and cautious to begin, and I'll catch pace once I get a feel for it. So once the hook's in, you simply slide the cord, making sure it's caught in, and that's it. You rinse and repeat. And before I let you off to enjoy the process with the most calming chill step, I just want to mention that before placing the next hook, I extend the cord and get an idea of placement. And using that reference, I drill the next hook in place. And with that said, enjoy the process. The corners can be simple or tricky depending on where you have the fixture. Here, it was rather simple as I had enough cord to hang on the hook and make the turn without too much trouble and continue on. So I wanted to wrap some of it around the tree as I think it looks absolutely beautiful, especially during the winter time when all the leaves fall off. I threw the cord around the tree and kept going higher with each rotation. Now I know I'm gonna have to do it again once all the leaves fall off to put the lights on properly, so I'm not too particular about how it looks at the moment, just as long as I have enough rotations to play with after. So once that's done, I simply pull the lights back toward the fence and continue the process all the way to the end. With the lights all hooked on, I make sure to close the ends with the attached rubber cap so no water touches the internals. And once that's taken care of, it's time to put in the bulbs. Now these are plastic but can be delicate as well, so you want to make sure you're gentle when putting them in, but you also want to make sure that you screw them in tight, otherwise they won't turn on. bulbs in place, here's the final reveal. There you have it, fellas. Thank you so much for watching, and if you thought this was helpful in any way, do like the video and subscribe to my channel. In my next video, I'll show you how to automate these lights, so stay tuned. See you around.